Health workers in Mexico say they're at a breaking point. The still worsening health crisis has taken an especially high toll on medical professionals. According to the government's own data, almost 2,500 people employed in the nation's health sector have died since the start of the outbreak. Doctors and nurses from the National Public Health Service recently published an emotional plea on social media, saying that many of them have reached the point of physical and emotional exhaustion.
Por favor.
We're begging you, do not expose yourself to contagion. Don't become a transmitter of the disease.
Mexico remains one of the countries hardest hit by the pandemic. The nation's economy is hurting as well. On Monday, restaurant workers protested against containment measures, which have led many businesses to close their doors.
Somos trabajadores a los que nos están condenando.
We are workers that are being condemned to unemployment. We're small business owners that are being driven to bankruptcy. And we're not the only ones. Behind every plate of food is a long production line.
Since the start of the outbreak in Mexico, much of the debate over how to strike a balance between curbing transmission of coronavirus and preserving the health of the economy has taken the form of protests like this one outside Mexico's National Palace. In an effort to curb contagion, government officials have reinstated partial lockdown measures in Mexico City. At the same time, however, daily deaths and new coronavirus cases have both soared to record highs, pushing many medical facilities to the limit.
Patients have to wait for 4 or 5 hours. There are no beds, there are no ventilators, there is no oxygen. Queues are very long. Sometimes we have to wait and fight over beds. The situation is out of control.
Though a national vaccination program is slowly being rolled out, health experts have stepped up efforts to warn the population of the ongoing risks of the virus. Adding another layer of worry has been the announcement that the first case of a mutated strain of COVID-19, first spotted last year in the United Kingdom, was recently detected in the Mexican state of Tamaulipas. Manuel Rapalo, Al Jazeera, Mexico City.